Oh, it came out.
Get in the shoes. Get your shoes on. You gotta walk in the shoes. The other way. Turn around. Turn around. Other shoe.
He'll realize in a minute.
There you go. There you go. Put your shoes on. All right. Now come walk over here to Auntie and Dee. Uh-oh. So you gotta turn that one around. There you go. There you go. He's a big boy.
He's like, oh, screw this.
Was that fun? Now what do you want, Cameron?
No. Nah.
What do you say?
Please?
You gotta count them, okay? Say one, but don't say two.
1,
Good job.
2, 3.
Say thank you.
Welcome.
Say I love you.
I love you too.
Say mwah.
Alright, let's go eat.
Bye-bye, Cameron. Bye-bye, Cameron. You said bye-bye, Dee? Wave.
Bye-bye.
Cameron, wave. Wave, look, over here. Wave. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.